Hi there, thanks for joining me. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to introduce you to our FTP and how you can use it to automatically submit files into Repricer for you. By using our FTP feature, you can automatically submit the exact same files that you'd import via our import screen into the system via an automated schedule. All you need to do is put your file onto your FTP folder and we'll pick it up for you each and every hour. If you haven't been using our imports yet, you can download a template under Imports on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, just click to download the template. There is a different template for Amazon and also eBay, both of which can be downloaded from here. We also have a number of videos on the channel that explore the import and how it works that you might want to take a look at. Now, we're not going to spend too much time on the import file itself because we're here to talk about the FTP. To pull up your FTP settings, go to Settings, then Company Settings on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, you go to either the Amazon FTP or eBay FTP tab, depending on which you're looking to set up. You can, of course, set up both if you'd prefer. And just to reiterate, you need to make sure to submit the right file format for Amazon or eBay, depending on which you're using. Now, if you have your own FTP, you just need to enter the details here. All we need to know is what file name you'd like, as well as the host and a username and password so we can access the FTP. If you plan to submit the file into a specific folder, you can also include the details here. If you don't have your own FTP folder set up, do get in touch with our support team and they'll be able to set up a folder for you and give you the credentials so you can log in and submit your file. This might be easier if you don't already have access to an FTP folder. However, if you're doing any coding work to submit the file, we'd normally recommend using your own FTP. Once you've entered your details, you can put a test file on your FTP folder, activate it, and hit save. Within an hour, we'll import the file into the system automatically. Just a wee thing to remember is that the file names are case sensitive, so make sure to be careful with that. Once your files start to import, you'll notice they disappear off your FTP. Also, if you go to the import screen, you'll find that your FTP submitted file will appear on screen as if you imported it yourself manually. This is great for keeping a track of the results. If you would still like to automatically submit files, but need to submit multiple files an hour, or submit them more often, we do offer an automatic process via API as well. We do have a separate video on the channel, which you can explore this with as well. I've included a link in the description. And really, it is that simple. There's no reason whatsoever to not be automating your imports, so get to it. While you're here, why not take a look at some of the other advanced features we have in Repricer.com via our videos here on the channel. If you haven't submitted a trial yet, we offer one free for 14 days, no credit card required. Or why don't you get in touch and arrange a free demo? Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.